your trusted partner to global logistics. Hi, I'm Farah and I'm from Forz Forwarding Company. Wow, what is that? So, our logo company have two color, which is blue color and green color. So do you guys know that show about what? So, this color refer to trust, reliability, and growth. Forz Forwarding Company, founded by Brother Faizal and Brother Hamizan in Shah Alam on 1 September 2005. Our head office is located in Shah Alam, Selangor, which is Malaysia. We also have our employees. Our services include transport by truck, air freight, sea freight, and rail. We ensure rapid delivery to all destinations without fee. So, do you guys want to know who our working partner? Ta-da! ISO 490012-008 is standard that specifies requirement for a quality management system, which is QMS. This highlights our focus on quality and customer satisfaction. Other than that, ISO 14001-2004 is environmental management standard that provided a framework for managing environmental responsibilities. For academy, we offer training programs design which is skill, improve performance, and keep up with industry advancement. We offer 40x-hour services from Malaysia, Thailand, and Indonesia. Also, only 24 hours within Malaysia. It's so suitable with our technologies. Trusted your partners to global logistics. What? You guys didn't hear? Our tagline is trusted partner to global logistics. So, Smish company can get the advantages which is from image, selling, because Forz company have so many branches in Malaysia and overseas. So, it can make your partnership trust to collab with our company. Okay, so guys, this slide is present the growth in total volumes handled by Forz Forwarding from January to June 2024. The data highlights our increasing capacity and reliability, demonstrating why partnering with us is a smart choice. Next is, this slide is present the net profit for Forz Forwarding from January to 2024. The data emphasizes our financial growth and stability, making us reliable partner in logistics industry. So, this is our network for our company. That's all from me. Thank you for considering this partnership. We believe that we together, which is Forz Forwarding Company and Smish Holding SDMBHD, can achieve and get more success in logistics industry. See you next time. Bye.